depending on what we need, there's always a brain here that knows how to sort us out. My name is Alex Bruciani, and I'm with Dustbane Products Limited. My role is Executive Vice President of Operations. Working with aclaros has been very valuable to us at Dustbane. Prior to SAP Business One implementation, we actually had a number of different systems that had evolved over a number of years. We managed to really incorporate all of those different elements into a single ERP system. And aclaros really guided us step by step through that process. Managing and analyzing data is critical in our industry to really understand where we can grow. SAP Business One allows us to do that. It has huge power in the HANA database and I'd say the analytical tools that are associated with that. I think with systems, particularly ERP systems, you don't know what you don't know. And I think that where the process of going through an implementation, you focus on the things that you really see as business critical. What that doesn't necessarily allow is the bigger picture of what a program like SAP Business One is capable of. Working with aclaros, they really have that vision to understand the goals of the company and can really apply the power of the system to our everyday operations and say, have you considered this? Or if you widen your usage of the system to incorporate this module or element, actually we find that our operations become more efficient and therefore we ourselves can become more competitive. Manufacturing is always a complex activity. Even simple products, manufacturing those has great complexity, and a good ERP system is one certainly that is fully integrated end to end, so that you're not having to juggle multiple databases is a critical element to that. I think looking at how a system can reflect the scale of your operations is key. SAP Business One, it is great for smaller and medium-sized enterprises. It has a level of simplicity, yet the capabilities, I think, are well suited to businesses of even a larger size. I think our company is probably a good business case on that one, because Dustbane was established over 118 years ago. So we, I'd say, a good example of a company that really evolved legacy systems that managed different elements of a business in very different ways. We had a number of satellite systems that were hand-built and really allowed flexibility, but didn't give us that single database opportunity to have end-to-end processes work fluidly for the business. So life before, I think, was functioning, but in no way functioning in an efficient way. Having implemented SAP Business One, what we now have is a whole group of people working off the same data in real time, and that allows a lot of flexibility in the way we work, but also gives us efficiencies in the outputs that the ERP can provide to us.